Hi fourth graders, this is a screencast to help get you familiar with the format of our ELA course on Greek mythology using Schoology. By now you should know your access code, and if you need a reminder it's here in the corner. But now I'm going to walk you through the different sections here in our Schoology account so that you'll be familiar with where to find the information that you need. To get yourself started, you're going to want to click on the Getting Started folder. Once this opens, you'll find a place for you to introduce yourself to your classmates. Take a look at some information about the course, and here's a place where you will set a goal for yourself. I want you to choose something that you are going to strive for throughout our 5-week course. It can be an academic goal, or it can be about behavior or organization, wherever you think you need to grow in this course. And finally, on this section we have Phone a Friend. We'll be using our classroom Twitter account. If you come across questions while you're working, you can post here and your classmates can tweet their suggestions back to you. If we go back to our materials, here's back where we were started off, and the next folder is General Information. And here's where you will find our syllabus. Make sure you take some time to read through that. That has the schedule for our course, in addition to contact information for me and other helpful information. Instructional expectations is what I am planning to see you achieve during this course and my expectations for your effort. In this category here, the technology use, that's from our district, so make sure you check that out to understand how our behavior should be in our Schoology interaction. And a little bit more information about this Greek mythology class. The discussion board is located here. Within each week you'll see a link that will bring you back to this page, and this is where you will be posting in regards to these questions that I've got listed for each week. So there are a couple questions for each week. Your job is to post a response to these questions, and then as the week progresses you need to reply to 2 of your classmates' posts. So you will be posting a total of 3 times each week to our discussion board. You can find it here. You can also find a link to it in the weekly folder. Before I move into showing you each week's assignments, I want you to look at these last 2 sections on the main materials folder. We've got a library, and this is a collection of resources in terms of research and reference materials that will be helpful. And here are resources that will help you be successful for actually using Schoology and understanding Greek mythology. Okay, so let's check out the course content. This is where you'll go once you're ready to get started. So each week has its own folder. Let's start with week 1 so that you'll know where to get started first. You'll see this helpful reminder to post on the discussion board. If you click this, there's a link to take you to the discussion board. I've assigned you a reading, and here you can find the text. We'll be studying Odysseus and the Bag of Winds as our first myth. Your first assignment is here, and that's to create a virtual dictionary. Here's a video on how to set that up, and a little bit of practice for how to arrange your words alphabetically. All of these you'll see must be completed in one way or another, so this little checklist here will help you make sure you've completed those things. We go back out into our weekly folders here. You're going to find similar assignments in each weekly folder. Discussion board posts, some helpful links, your assignments, and so forth. Now when we get to week 3, you're going to have a partner activity where you're going to be creating a comic strip together, and you can have some flexibility in the way you tell your Greek myth. You'll find more directions here, but keep in mind that is a group project, so you'll need to be collaborating with your assigned partner. Okay, so as we continue through the course, you see lots of helpful links, information, and directions. Here you'll be making a presentation of the writing piece you compose, so you'll use Voxer to record your presentation. The final week in our class is really just the assessment. You'll show what you've learned. Again, you'll need to post on the discussion board, and here's where you would link to your test. And you'll be able to open this up and answer the questions and submit it to me. And that way I will be able to make sure that you have successfully completed the understanding of our Odysseus and the Bag of Winds story. I hope this was helpful. I look forward to working with you in our Greek mythology class. Thank you so much. Bye.